Cooler Master has recently launched a new line of MasterBoxes, improving on every aspect that made the previous generation so amazing. Sitting at the top of this new series is the MB530P, packing premium features for those who love the look of addressable RGB and glass. This thing is a standalone showroom for your components, setting the glass stage for your beautiful build. 3 tempered glass panels make the component look great from any angle, especially when paired with the 3 included ARGB fans, and even the lead power button for good measure. Control of the lighting theme of your build is either done through the included controller, yes, it's included in the box, or straight from your motherboard if you're into having complete control. There is a partial seal print on the right tempered glass side panel that hides all the cable coming out from the power supply, and if you pair this feature with the use of the included metal cable cover, you can achieve a perfect cable routing without any effort. Cable management is always going to be on point, whether you hide it or you show it off with beautiful custom sleeved extensions. Inside the MB530P you'll find high-quality rubber grommets, foolproof zip tie points, and smartly placed openings to reach your motherboard and components easily. This case is also 100% water cooling ready with 360mm radiator support in the front and 240mm support on top. For more information you can find the link in the description.
The NZXT H500 expands on our vision for modern PC building and improves upon the best features found on our most popular cases. With an intuitive design and performance-optimized layout, the H500 makes it easier than ever for you to build and show off your PC like never before. We've simplified the entire building process by reimagining cable management solutions to easily accommodate all types of builds. With an integrated cable management kit and a repositionable cable management bar, tuck away cables and spend less time managing the clutter. With a removable front radiator bracket and integrated reservoir mount, installing all-in-one liquid coolers or assembling custom water cooling loops is painless inside or outside the case. The entire layout is optimized for excellent airflow and provides enough space for you to install hardware in multiple configurations. From our quick-release SSD mounts, PSU shroud and motherboard tray to our vertical graphics card support, available on the H500i. Customize your build for performance. Integrated RGB lighting and fan control is available on our H500i to builders who want those features built into the case without having to install them. The H500i comes with pre-installed smart device with integrated lighting and fan control, as well as adaptive noise reduction functionality. The NZXT H500s are available now in white, black, red, and blue at all authorized retail locations, and you can learn more about it at nzxt.com.
Hey guys, George here. This is the CARBIDE Series 275R. It's our newest mid-tower case and it has a really clean and minimalist design, and it has a full tempered side panel glass window so you can see all the cool components that you decided to put in your build. The 275R has an amazingly simple internal layout that makes it easy to build a great looking PC. It has direct airflow path cooling to ensure cool air gets across all of your hottest components. There's tons of space for various cooling options, up to a 360mm radiator in the front, up to a 240mm up top, and a 120 in the rear. To keep the inside of your PC looking as clean as the outside, we have a PSU shroud and tons of cable routing options. When it comes to storage, the 275R has some really great options. 4 2.5-inch drive trays for SSDs and 2 3.5-inch drive trays for hard drives. And all of those drive trays are made out of metal for extra ruggedness and durability. The I/O panel has 2 USB 3.0 ports, and the front panel features soft accent lighting to give your rig a little touch of class. The 275R is a great mid-tower, whether you're building your first or your 50th PC. It has tons of cooling options, great expansion opportunity, and good connectivity, and it looks amazing whether you get the white version or the black version. Hey guys, I'm George here from Corsair, and this is the Obsidian Series 500D. Like all of our Obsidian Series cases, it's based on a really elegant, monolithic style design with black brushed aluminum, but unlike all of our other Obsidian cases, this adds smoked tempered glass side panels so you can see the inside of your PC. The 500D has a swing open side panel door that's covered in tempered glass that makes it easy to get inside and modify and change anything you need in your PC. And there's direct airflow path access to all of the hottest components so that your airflow never has to go around optical drives or anything like that. The 500D has slide out radiator trays for the front and the top. The front can hold up to a 360mm radiator. The top can hold up to a 280mm radiator. The rear of the case has a 120mm fan mount, so you can use that as an exhaust fan or put another radiator back there. In most gaming PCs, the single most expensive and coolest looking component is your graphics card. So we added a vertical GPU mount so you could show it off in all its glory. Once you swing open that back panel of the case, you have easy access to all your storage drives. So if you want to add an SSD or swap out a hard drive, you can do that quickly and easily. The 500D makes cable management easier than ever. With an integrated PSU shroud in the front and a cable routing cover in the back, you can keep your cables clean, neat, and out of the way. To make it easy to maintain and clean your PC, we've added dust filters in the front, the top, and under the PSU that don't require any tools at all, so you can take them out and clean them in seconds. For modern connectivity, we've added a USB 3.1 Type-C connector to the I/O panel. That's in addition to the standard headphone, mic, power reset, and standard USB 3 jacks. With its iconic and elegant design and incredible feature set and build quality, I think the 500D is the best mid-tower case Corsair has ever made. It's beautiful outside, it's brilliant inside.